We just got a 2015 iMac 21-inch, and customer said he attempted to replace the SSD drive and the computer does not power on now. Nothing. What I want to do is remove the screen. Customer looks like he also bought a new screen, so I'm thinking the customer may have broken the screen while trying to pry it open, and that's why he has a new screen. The screen is not glued as it looks, so we're gonna remove the screen to see what's going on. I want to look at the lights inside. Is it connected? No, it's not connected. Okay, take it out. What I'm interested in is looking at those LED lights. And if you look here, we have one LED light on. This LED light indicates that the power cable is plugged in from the back, from here. So when the power is plugged in, LED number 1 will light up. LED 2 will light up when the power supply is communicating with the motherboard. LED 3 will light up when the GPU is working, and LED 4 is when the screen is connected. Right now we only have one LED, which means the cable is connected. So I press on the power button and nothing. I press the power again, press and hold the power, and we're not getting anything on LED 2. So this could indicate that we may have a problem with the power supply. I'm gonna ask Big Boss to replace the power supply. We do have one in stock. Let me make sure it's the same one. This one should be for the 2015. Yeah, it's the same one. Disconnect the power, because if the power cable is plugged in, you have high voltage on this power supply here, and that's why you have this caution sign. Oh, wait. What's this? This is the cable that connects the power button with the power supply. The cable is broken. No wonder the computer is not turning on. So if the power button cannot talk with the power supply, we're not going to be able to turn it on. Wait, can you keep it? What we can try to do is we can try to jump the 2 pins of this cable together and see if the computer would turn on. If you look at this cable here, it has 2 pins. We're going to try to touch the 2 pins together and see if the computer will power on. Oh, look at that. It powered on. We have 3 LEDs on, which indicates that the power supply is working, the GPU is working, and all we have to do is put the screen for the 4th one to come on. So that's it. That's the problem. The problem is this cable here. What we're gonna do is Big Boss is gonna disassemble this so we can reach the power button, and maybe we can replace it. I do have some salvaged iMacs in here that we can extract the power button from. Or what we can do is we can try to see if we can solder that wire back on that button. If that's an easier option, we'll see. Fans are spinning high, probably because we do not have the screen connected. Okay, so let's turn it off. Right now it doesn't look like there's any way to remove that button from here, but I think the button may be glued to the casing, because that's the only way it would hold itself onto the casing. There are no screws, nothing to take off. So Big Boss is gonna heat up this area from the back here and see if we can remove this, what looks like a button, or the button casing here. Yeah, it looks like the button is coming off. We may need more heat. Right there. That's it. We're gonna take the screws out to see what that wire solders onto. This is the wire right here. So it's gotta be from somewhere. Okay, great. I'm going to take this under the microscope and do it over there. So let's see how we're going to solder this wire onto this button here. And right over here. It broke off from here. Now I think the best thing to do would be to solder that wire straight down to the pads and not to the wires here. One end here and one end over there, but the thing is I do not know if that will make the wire short and it may not reach from the power button itself to the power supply. I do not know if that will happen. Let me just do a quick measurement to see if we're gonna have any issues. Will that cable reach? Yeah, I mean, I think we have more than enough room. Yeah, we have more than enough room, so we should be able to do that. We do not need to apply any solder. There is more than enough. Very good. And let's do the other one. That's it. All we have to do is put that button back and we should be all good. So that's how it looks like now. Okay, power it on. Yes, it's working. It's working. It powered on.
Hello?
Great, awesome. It turned on and everything is good. So Big Boss is gonna finish putting the screws together. Then we're gonna assemble the screen and do one final testing. So the only thing that was wrong with this iMac was the power button. We first thought it was a power supply issue because the second light was not on, and anytime you don't have a second light on, it means the power supply is not making a proper communication with the motherboard. Big Boss is the man. Always. Nothing is too small and nothing is too big for him. Okay, so this is good, and this one is good. Let's power it on. Great, it's on. There's probably no operating system on there, so it's gonna take a while, and then maybe the folder sign will show up in the middle here. So there's no operating system, and that's why the folder showed here. We're gonna call the customer to come and pick up. I'm not sure if we're gonna glue this for the customer. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.